Today we're going to be changing out the license plate light in our 2005 Ford Mustang. What you'll need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver and a new light bulb, which is a Sylvania 168. Ours is a 168 LL. You have two screws, one here and one here. They're actually plastic screws, but they are Phillips heads. So and once you get the screws out, then you can just pull on this tab here and your whole mechanism comes right out. Your bulb is right here, so just twist that and pull it down. Wow, that is really burned out. Just pull your bulb out here, and I'm gonna go get some gloves and put our new bulb in. Got some gloves, because you don't want to get your hand oils on the bulb. They say it shortens the life of the bulb. And I'll get this here and put it right in like that. Just line up the holes right there. Twist. Now we'll put this back in like this. These are actually, this is what your screws screw into, so you just line those up. Shove it back in. And that's how you change out your license plate light on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.